Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, please, what do you understand from that code? This is in addition to what we have seen before.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What is it? What is clear here? Why is the result is 100?
Because you're adding 50 to 30 and 20, so you get 100.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about this mystery array list? So this is, suppose, not difficult to understand. And this produces this. Confirm that you understand it first, so that we move to the next.
So yeah, but so for the first one, you're just doing 10 times I, and I is always going up. So it's just 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 until 100.
Until 10, right? So 10 times 10 equal 100. So this is the last
Yeah.
thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So there is no issue here. Now look
No.
at here. If I start removing the I from the same list that we created here, this is the same list.
Yeah.
So why I'm ending up with 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, but not all is removed. I'm removing, you know?
Hmm. I'm not sure.
Okay. Do you mind, please, to actually create this and then try to write this and run it?
Okay. This is in the main, right?
Yes. Is it hard?
Well, no, I'm doing it. I'm just writing the code. Yeah, I get that answer.
Okay, perfect. But I want you to now add one print statement before here and one print statement after you remove.
Okay.
So you in the first print statement, I would like you to put
I see.
list.get I.
Oh, okay. I printed it just with the normal list.
Just no, I mean you need to write list.get I. So you do that here, you do that here.
Oh, the way I printed is just print
Print the whole
and then
the whole
list.
list.
Yeah, list in bracket. Yeah.
Okay, fine. You can print the whole list, also fine. You can print the whole list here, print the whole list here.
Okay. Yeah.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Show me how it looks like, if you don't mind, please.
Okay.
So what is the output that you're seeing?
I just see it like, okay, wait, let me share my screen. Okay, yeah. So I get this.
I can't see your screen yet, so
Oh.
are you able to describe it to me until I'm able to see it?
Yeah, so basically the 10 gets removed, then the 30 gets removed, then the 50 gets removed, then the 70, then the 90.
So it seems that every time we are missing something. So if we remove the 10, we miss the 20. We miss removing the 20. And if we remove the 30,
Yeah.
we miss removing the 40. Is that
Yeah.
consistent with what we are
Yeah.
printing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So like I said before in the previous class, we said there was an issue and we corrected the issue by two ways, that we reverse the iteration or the traversing of the array list. When we are removing from the array list, we start the loop from the end, if you can remember. So we always say here minus I minus minus, and then we don't start from 0. We start from the size of the array. We start from the end. So in the normal, we start from 0 here. But if we want to remove something from the array, we try to start from here, from the end. Because every
Right.
time you remove something from the array, you actually, so if you remove, so when you say you want to remove 0, so the whole thing, so if we assume that here there is 10, 20, and 30. When you remove 10, so actually what happened inside here before you go up, the 20 become at 0. And then here becomes a 30, and here becomes a 40. So when you come up to increase, so 20 already skipped the removal, because you already deleted 10 here. You already
Right.
removed 10. So 20 already skipped. So what you remove next when you go to you was already at position at I equals 0. So I plus plus means that you're already here. So you will remove the 30. So when you remove the 30, what will happen to the array list itself? It will actually put the 20 as it is. It will bring the 40 in the place of the 30. So it means that the 40 will skip the removal. So what will be I now will become 2. So so we will remove the 50.
So it will work if the I doesn't increase, then it will work, right?
Okay, wait. Let me copy for you the code that will make it work. Give me a second, because we see it in the previous class, but I'm not very sure if we write it or not. Let me, yeah, give me a second. I will copy that to you. Okay. So I pass it to your, yeah, it's here. I pass it to your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Try to make another copy from that. So, or never mind, you can change it also. You can send your code. Did you see it?
Oh, okay. Yeah, we did copy this.
Yes, we did it somehow here. Yes.
Yeah, so we need this to be, yeah, I remember. So we want this to be list size.
Yes.
-1.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
So now you managed to remove everything in it, right? Because you do it the correct way.
Yeah.
But again, just let me tell you. So this is a tricks that you already learned. So it means that if you would like to remove, so if you have some kind of condition that you face in programming, where they tell you, somebody tell you in the exam or whatsoever, that I have this kind of list and I want to remove one and keep one. So this one I want to remove, I want to keep this. I want to remove this, I want to keep that. So how can, I mean, there is this way to do that, is to use the same way that you use your for loop before. So because again, if you want to implement this kind of solution that delete one and keep one, delete one and keep one, it's hard to achieve that. I mean, you have to put a lot of if conditions, and but with this way, if you reverse back what you did here, then you are able to achieve this kind of situation. So again, programming, you don't know what situation that you are in, and then what could be required to solve the problem. So okay, now it's clear. We move on.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I would like to tell you, check if you understand this code or not.
Yeah.
Clear? Easy?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this code?
Yeah. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
But this code will not work. So you are inserting at every I, you are inserting 42. You know why it doesn't work?
I mean, no, right? Because I won't go forever, right? I will only go until the size.
Okay. And okay, fine. What is the size now? from here?
5.
5. Okay, excellent. And every time you add something, so when I add, I'm adding at I. So I add something to the array. What happened to the size?
Oh, yeah, it's an infinite loop.
So when you add something, every time you add something to the size increase.
Yeah.
So it means that you will never reach that list of size, because every time you add 42, 42, 42. So when you add this 3, so you here have 5, 3 plus 5 equal 8. So you keep increasing and the size keep increasing. So you will never stop. So how can you do this kind of insertion if you want to put 42 at position I, like here 0, 1, 2? So how can you do it if this is not, if this is an infinite loop? How can you do it? Have any idea? Because I was able to do it here, but here no.
You have to put a fixed limit, right, on your I?
Yes, excellent, excellent. Yes, you have to put a fixed limit here. So this is how they do it. This is how the solution works. So you have to actually take the size, put it in a variable, store it in a variable. You're excellent.
Right.
Actually, Ashwin, I would say that it is. I mean, you have a lot of potential of becoming a strong programmer. Really, I know from inside you. Maybe the smart people is like that, is that they tend to be a little bit lazy. They don't want to put a lot of efforts. They want to achieve the top result without having to put effort. It is clear. I have seen that in the workspace a lot. But really, you are smart enough to be and to reach the top with little efforts compared to others. Others might have to put a lot of effort compared to you, but you have natural skills. Your brain, I mean, if at the end of the day, it is your life, and I am teaching you. But either you go as a programmer or not. At the end, this is your choice, and I will not lose anything or even gain anything here. But I can see you have a strong potential to reach high levels, and if you are lucky enough, this is because part of it is luck, that you go with a proper company and with a good boss. A good boss typically in Malaysia is not a local boss. You have to look for a foreign boss. If you manage to work with European or US boss, he will appreciate the skills or the talent that you have, and then you will reach good levels, salary wise and environment wise. So if you ever come back to Malaysia to work, you go and search for non-local companies. That is the best I have seen so far. If you see a foreign boss, go on with him. You will enjoy your life a lot. Okay, there is no stress. There is no nothing said. Oh, you need to work from 8 to 9 at the evening. And most of the foreign boss is not like that. Okay. So yeah, that's at the end your choice. Okay. Now, so now it's clear to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you understand the output here?
Yeah.
Why we are adding here 5? Why
because
we add 42 5 times?
It's 5. The size is 5. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so typical array list, same like the normal array. So here, if we have a class that is called course, and inside each course there is a students, so we are able to define. So here he defined a private variable of type array list of students, like that, and he called the variable name students, and here we define it in the constructor like that. So inside the course you are able to have not only one list, a lot of lists. Okay, and same like we have done before, inside the company we have a list of employees, and inside the course we have a list of students. So you do it with the students before, so you do it with a list before, and you're able to do it with array list here also, like that. Same exactly the same. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, just help me do one of those. Choose one of those exercises and do it before we continue to the next.
Okay.
What about if you do this?
Okay.
So I copy it for you and I allow you to share the screen. Can you share?
Okay. Oh, okay. You send already. Okay. And
So may I understand what is your understanding of this exercise?
so I need to get an array, and then I need to find which array is the longest string. So it has the
Okay.
longest word. Yeah. Yes, I can use this static. I use static. Hmm. One. Okay.
So may I understand from
Okay.
you, do you know how to get the length of a string?
I remember we done it before, but I forgot how to get the length.
So if you say if S is a string, you can use length like that. with brackets, so it will get you the length of that string. So if it is ABC, so it means that it will give you 3.
Okay. Means I need to create, so means each, like in the list, each string should have its own
Length.
variable.
It should have its own length.
But
So
to call the length of
on a
that specific string, it needs to have a variable, right? How do I?
Yes, you can do that. So do you know if you have a okay, easy. So at position I equals 0 in this list, okay?
Yeah.
So our array, if I want to get the first string, so I say array 0, and then I can put it
So
and
S
assign it
dot.
to a variable,
Okay.
okay? And then I can get this S and I can get its length, and based on that
But
I can what is the issue?
can I just do S dot length array 0?
You are able to do something similar, but you didn't arrange it correct. So you, instead of creating, instead of doing this step, you can say array
Oh, sorry.
0 dot length.
Oh, okay.
So you are able to do that. Yes. So because here is a string, so he passes, he get whatever you get the element inside, and he get the length of that. Yes, you can do that.
Okay. Array I dot length. So that should give me the length of each variable.
Yes, but just bear in mind. Oh, okay. So yes, you can do that, but this length is with the brackets. Don't forget here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now let's give me my length of oh. Okay, the public static string. Yes. I forgot how I'm supposed to. What's happening?
So
It is
why
because of the way I call this.
invalid method declaration, return type required? You have to put something here. So just
Yeah.
put void first. Sorry, we need to close.
Okay.